Okay, so this is a couple of hours after an L5 stroke S1 huge disc prolapse and discectomy, and then stabilisation as well. And you literally were struggling when you came in. But anyway, let's see you have a walk. Okay, good. Feeling a bit unbalanced.
Yeah.
But, you know, compared to the wheelchair that you're in,
a huge difference in terms of how I came in.
Yeah. So, any pain going down your leg at the moment?
No pain in the leg, obviously a bit numb from
Yes. Anaesthetic.
and slightly.
Still a bit wonky.
Yeah, but you know.
That will come.
Yeah, this is the first time I've been standing upright and on my feet for 3 months.
3 months.
Yeah. So,
You'll be going home shortly. A few more laps and you'll be ready to go home.